truck. Welcome! Cream cake. It's time to make a cake. Egg! Separate the yolk from the egg white. Milk. Melted butter. Milk. Sugar. Milk. Sugar. 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 Flour. Sip the flour to make the cake more delicious. Which utensil should we blender? And then let's add the whisked egg white. Next, let's pour the batter into the mold. Let's start baking the cake. Wow, the cake smells so good. We can now take the cake out. Decorate the cake with whipped cream. And then add a pretty ruffle to it. Wow, so many cute little dolls. Let's choose one and place it on the cake. Let's choose a glass of juice to make candy garnish. Green apple flavor. Sugar. Which shape of candy garnish are we going to make? Let's decorate it. The candy garnish is ready. Last step. Let's decorate the cake. The cream cake tastes as gorgeous as it looks. The guests are sure to love it. This is so yummy! Desserts are delicious, but you will have cavities if you eat too much desserts. Wow! You've got a bit. That's great! These are pieces of a dessert cart. The props are all here. Tap and check. Welcome! Pet Care Center. Welcome to the Pet Rescue Center. I'm Kiki, a volunteer for animal protection. Let's help stray animals. Let's go. Be sure to care for animals. The stray animals have been spotted in these two areas. Let's rescue them. Follow the signs and you'll find the stray animals. It's dangerous for the kitten to hide under the car. Let's get it out. It refused to come out. Let's attract it with a toy. Yeah, the kitten has come out. Let's keep looking for the next animal. The puppy has been pressed down by the bricks. Let's move the bricks and save the poor puppy. The puppy was injured. Let's bring it back for treatment. Little animals need treatment. Let's bring them back to our rescue center. Mew Mew, please help examine it. You can count on me. Which house will the animals live in? Let's choose for them. They look very uncomfortable. Let's give them treatment. One of the puppy's legs was injured. Let's examine it. Oh no, the puppy has fractured its leg. Don't worry, let's fix it. Great! The puppy can walk again. The examination is complete. It has regained its health. Let's feed it. Wonderful! It's ready for adoption. How lovely! Can I adopt it? Of course! Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Great! You're its owner now. Please take good care of it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it. Let's see how we can help them. The kitten is having inflamed eyes and looks uncomfortable. Let's treat its eyes. Fleas on the stray kitten can make it itchy. Let's help it get rid of the fleas. The kitten's body is also infected. Let's apply some drops. Look! The kitten is feeling much better now. The examination is complete. It has regained its health. Let's feed it. Wonderful! It's ready for adoption. So cute. Can I adopt it? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. You're its owner now. Please care for it. This pet has moved to a new house. Let's clean up its previous house. This house looks great! The next little animal will be happy to live in it.